Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be unboxing my keyboard, and it's from Amazon, so yeah. It's definitely going to be good. I got this Amazon Prime thing. It's glued on pretty good. Can barely, and the box is kind of damaged, but that's alright. At least the keyboard's not damaged. I'm going to open this. It's going to take a while, by the way. As you can see, we have nice packing tape. Yeah, really good quality. But here is the main product that we're trying to look at. Oh baby, it is big, I can tell you that. So this is my new keyboard I got. I can unbox it. It's a G510s, and this cost $119. Pretty good price for a keyboard like this. And I mean, it has a lot of keys. I mean, look at that. That's a lot of macro keys. I mean, going for days. It even has an LED pad, which I guess you can kind of like display game stats or something. Then there's like a desktop switch mode for games. There's these custom colors for it. You can play, pause, turn up the volume, scroll, yada yada yada. It's a lot basically. So I don't know what the programmable G keys, but I'm sure to find out. So let's open this box. I'm glad I have a knife here, so I can kind of incise it, or not incise it. What am I saying? Kind of slice it. Slice it. I gotta be very careful with this, by the way. There we go. There it is. Oh, okay, I guess you have to get the other side too. So let's do that. And by the way, this is thanks to Amazon for getting this stuff right. That's what I wanted. I can barely open the box. Alright. I think is there a way to open it? It's so hard to open. I think I'm just gonna have to do this. Sorry guys. It's not in the best condition, because I'm not the biggest fan of just opening complex boxes. Here we go! Alright, here's the main attraction. I'll keep this good, in good hands. It's just not the whole thing, but yeah, everything else. Great! Alright, let's get this thing out. If I can. Oh, yeah, lift up. Alright, and look at what we got. We got this big thing right here. Now, you probably are saying, oh my goodness, this is the ugliest keyboard I've ever seen. Oh man, you are wrong, sir. I mean, yeah, it looks ugly right now, but when I turn it on, you'll see how actually cool it actually is. And here's the instructions manual, just in case they don't want to get sued because of breaking stuff. These are non-sue contracts, so there you go. Did I get anything else? I get this nice stand right here. And I get this to protect the screen. I think I don't need this. So, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fire it up. Might as well keep this piece right here because it's probably important. Just keep it right there. Alright, and look at this, guys. Look at this. I'm just going to try to... The keys actually feel really nice. I really like it. I like this knob right here. This knob is really nice too. The settings look pretty cool. This game switch, awesome. G keys, also amazing. And this LED. Alright, so without further ado, I'm actually going to plug it into my computer. But I need to set it up first. So, like, I'll have to push it, like, back. Like that. Like, I push it back. I might even need to plug out my headphones here. Sorry, headphones. Not today. We're going to be testing this thing out. Alright, let's see if it can fit. barely fits. It can almost fit, actually. It barely fits, but I mean, I can plug it in. Maybe I can't. Well, I can. It's just the charger's in the way. You know what? How am I gonna do this? Alright, come on. There we go. Alright, it's plugged in. And look at the start screen. Look at that. It's amazing. Alright, and and the keys are all lighted. Keys are all lighted, by the way. And it's just installing it, I think. And I missed a call from him. Alright. I'm just looking at my, I'm going to try typing. Let's see if it actually works. Oh, wait. Okay. Now it's installed, I think. Alright, so I'm going to start typing. Let's see if the G works. I'm just going to... Yes, it works. You see that, guys? Alright. Just going to tell him... no, I just said that to him. Got a new keyboard. Let's take a look at the features of this new keyboard. So to start off, I don't know what these buttons do. We'll figure that out later. And I have to clean this a little bit up. I think that works fine. All right. So you got these programmable keys. Now there was a custom thing that came with it though. Unfortunately, I don't see it. Oh, you know what? I think settings. See if that works. Or does that just turn it off? I think that just turns it off. I don't know why it just does that, but I don't know. I'll get into this more. I don't know what this does. It just says G510. I'll figure this out more. I mean, this is the keyboard in a nutshell. I mean, I'm gonna run a test on it just to see if it's working fine. So I'm gonna get a text document, and I'm gonna start typing like just random keys. So as you can see, I mean, I can type fast. Let's try this. Alright, so it looks like it works. I'm also going to try this test where windows would pop up. Let's see if it works. Yes, it works perfectly fine. And then this weird key right here. I don't know what this is. I think that might be just a space, maybe. I don't know. Maybe this is both space. Oh, by the way, this is a gel thing, by the way. It feels really nice. I actually kind of like it. Oh, wait, screen protector. Yeah, it feels nice. Okay. And I think that's basically it. I mean, I'll keep testing this. Like, what else can I do? I mean, I want to see if I could do more things. I mean, it says you could change, like, the... Okay, sticky keys, goodbye. It says you could change the color. I haven't figured that out yet, but I think I will. I mean, it will take a lot of time to get used to. Seems fine though right now. I mean, it seems fine. It's just, I wonder what game mode is. But I don't know. I'll figure it out. I mean, it's gonna take a while. I mean, I guess that's to turn it off or just to display this. I guess, okay. But anyways, yeah, I think that's about it for the review of this G510s. It's a very nice keyboard, and I'm probably going to be using it for now on. I think I might not be able to use this because some of these keys just don't respond, and I hope this works for Flash Revolution. That'd be cool. Then I can kind of, use it. And so I'll see you guys next time, and thank you guys for watching. Bye and peace with this new keyboard. Very nice.